Hello, my dear students. Welcome again in your own channel, CPZ Sir online classes. Dear students, yesterday we discussed about the map practice of geography. Today we are going to discuss about the map practice of history of class 10th, term 2. My dear students, in term 2 you have only one chapter for the map practice, that is chapter number 2, or in some books it is chapter number 3, that is Nationalism in India. Dear students, now look at this map. I just want to tell you one thing, as I have already told you yesterday, that there are two types of maps. One is locating and labeling, and another is identification. So in labeling and locating, you are supposed to just label and locate, means you just mark the place which is asked by the examiner in the map practice or in the map of the board. So dear students, and in identification, you are supposed to identify that which place is this, which is already marked in the map, or something is hint over there, something is given there. So you are supposed to identify or label and locating the things by the given information. The information is already given to you in the map. So here we have the map of our country, that is India. Now in CBSE there are four congress sessions. One is Calcutta, another is Nagpur, Madras, and Lahore Congress session of 1929. Lahore Congress session of 1929. So look at this. Calcutta, September 1920 Congress session. Now, what do you find? This is a Congress, Indian National Congress. Okay, so the symbol Calcutta, it is in West Bengal. It is in West Bengal. Then Nagpur, it is in northeast of Maharashtra. It is located in northeast of Maharashtra. Madras, northeast of Tamil Nadu. It is the capital city. Then one more is Lahore. Lahore is also in northeast of Pakistan, just above to Amritsar. Amritsar, it is in Punjab of India, and Lahore, it is in Pakistan. It is in Pakistan. Clear? Now, important center of Indian national movement. You all know that in our country there are various national movement like satyagrahas, like non-cooperation movement, like Indian civil disobedience movement. Okay, is it clear to all? So there are few places. Champaran, that's in Bihar. It is the first satyagraha 1917 movement of indigo planters. It is located in Bihar. Then second satyagraha in 1917 peasant satyagraha in Kheda, Gujarat. Third one is cotton mill worker satyagraha. It was happened in 1918 in Ahmedabad. It's also in Gujarat. Okay, so sometimes students they are creating mistake while locating Ahmedabad and Kheda. Ahmedabad is just above the Kheda. Okay, isn't it? Then Amritsar Jallianwala Bagh incident, which was happened on 13th of April in 1919. So it is in Punjab, means Jallianwala Bagh massacre was there. So it is in Punjab. Then Chauri Chaura, that is Chauri Chaura. This is a place where Gandhiji call of the non-cooperation movement, but because in this place there was a violence between the people who agitate against the police. So it was called off by the Gandhijis in 1922, February 1922. So it is located in Uttar Pradesh near to Gorakhpur. Last but not least, Dandi. It is the place where the civil disobedience movement was started on 6th April 1930. Although Gandhiji was start moving towards Dandi from Sabarmati ashram from 12th of March in 1930, and then he reached Dandi on 6th April 1930. So it's also in Gujarat. So there are three main important places of Gujarat. One is Ahmedabad, another is Kheda, and last one is Dandi. So Ahmedabad for cotton mill workers satyagrah of 1918. Then Kheda peasant satyagrah in 1917. Then Dandi, beginning of civil disobedience movement, Salt March, Salt was break by the Gandhiji on 6th April 1930. Okay, now one place in Punjab, that is Amritsar, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. One place in Bihar, that is Champaran, movement of indigo planters. One place in Uttar Pradesh, that is Chauri Chaura, calling of the non-cooperation movement. One place in Tamil Nadu, that is Madras, Congress session of 1927. One place in Pakistan, that is Lahore, Congress session of 1929. One place Nagpur, December 1920, Congress session, that is in Maharashtra. And Calcutta, September 1920, that's in West Bengal. So my dear students, you are supposed to fill these places on a right place in the map, identify the places, locate and labeling the places. So that's all for today, and I hope you will like this video. Please share this video, like, share, subscribe. Thank you once again, your own CBZ sir. Have a nice day.